If you have an oxygen concentrator that's starting to act up, needs repair, or you're just worried about future reliability, this is something you're going to want to know about. With over 12 years of hands-on experience, we are an authorized service center working on all oxygen concentrators. That means factory-approved service, proper parts, and technicians who know these machines inside and out. Now we've added an all-inclusive warranty and service plan designed to give you complete peace of mind. If your concentrator malfunctions, needs repair, or even if you accidentally drop it, you're covered. And yes, you can add this coverage even if your machine already needs service or repair right now. Here's what makes this service plan really valuable. Once a year, your concentrator gets a full professional service that includes replacing all filters, sanitizing the inside and outside of the unit, and applying any available software updates. That keeps your machine running efficiently, safely, and reliably as possible. Auction equipment is something that you depend on every day, and unexpected repairs can be stressful and expensive. This plan eliminates that worry so you always know your oxygen concentrator is protected. If you want lifetime peace of mind on your oxygen concentrator, please give us a call or add the service plan to your cart today.